how to show date, time and AM, PM or second at a time on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So for that you need a apps Good Lock. If you don't have Good Lock, simply open up your Play Store and search here Good Lock. Then you can see these apps. It's a Samsung default apps. Just open it, then you can see lot of feature, and you need to download Quick Start. You can see the download icon. I already download it. Now once you download, enable this option, then go to clock setting. Then you can see the show date. If you press on show date, then your date will be shown, and if you want to show AM, PM, you can also customize it. If you want to change the style, you also do it from here. That's it. Simply don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.